Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. It's been a while since I've made a soap, jeez. I know that you guys recently missed 2 weeks and I've been having a few more seizures than normal these last couple of months, so soaping is becoming, less important as far as my health goes, but today I feel great. Just a little sleepy because yesterday was bad and I pretty much slept all day, so I stayed up all night. But anyway, today we are making a new soap. It's a spring soap, and next week we are making a remake spring soap. I know I said recently that I wasn't doing any remakes, but I realized I only had 2 bars of my lilac. I still have to make whipped soap, which I think I'm going to make with you guys, but I'm going to whip it before anything else. So, we'll go into that, and I want to try lilac wax melts, so we'll be doing that soon too. So, but Ava wants to see that, and she's at school right now. So, all right, this soap is inspired by the song Endless Love by Lionel Richie and Diana Ross. And the fragrance from Nature's Garden is called Endlessly in Love, and I couldn't change the title because it just fits. And I'm pretty sure that it's a dupe of something. I can't, exactly remember. But I'll put the fragrance notes in or if it's, a dupe of something, I'll put it in the description box below. Okay. Woo! Oh, you know what? Gloves are really helpful. Oh, I better go get gloves. I'll be right back. My kitten keeps trying to get into my soap room. She's gonna learn she can't be in there. No cat hair on the soap, please. Mr. J knows better. He doesn't try to get in there when I go in there, but Harley does. Boy, these new gloves are really strange feeling. There are 2 different companies, so I don't know. Anyway, this is my Hawthorne recipe. So in my lye mixture is distilled water, salt, sugar, and my sodium hydroxide. Now, this is going to be a pastel soap, so I am going to add my TD straight to my lye water. Wow, that's the last of the TD I have in that little one. And I'm going to add a little sparkle with my French shimmer mica. I don't have any, well, now I have spoons down here. I was just about to say I don't have any spoons down here, because I want this a little shimmery throughout. This design is Ava's. She got a new dress. It is a yellow dress with pink, white, and what's that color? Oh, what is that color? Oh, I can't remember. Hold on. I'm going to mix this up. The color is periwinkle. That's the color. So I'm going to try to recreate her dress. She wanted to put a little black in it, and I said, honey, that's not summer color, because she wanted to put the color of the inside of the flowers on there. And I said, no, I'm not going to do that. Okay, so let me bring my bucket back in here for y'all and get this TD out of here. My cat is scratching on the wall. I don't know if you can hear that. Okay, I'm sorry I'm scraping so much. So hopefully you guys have been good. Like I said, I've had a tough couple of weeks, and there's people I need to get back to and that kind of thing, and I will, I promise. Oh, it's just been ridiculous. Alright, I'm going to get this to just about emulsification. Falling! I think that I can leave this in here because my yellow is going to be my lightest color. So let me set these 4 out. Hopefully you can see. I don't want a ton of color in this. The dress doesn't have, you know, flowers everywhere. It's, you know, dispersed quite well. And I'm going to have to figure out the periwinkle. I brought out both my purple and my blue, and of course, you know, we have our pink and our white. I figured I was going to have to use my what's it called, to mix it. You know, this thing. What is that called? Frother. Jeez. It's been a while, Lynn. What are you doing? So let me do my yellow. I have a couple of spoons down here, so. And we're using banana boat yellow. I thought about using the canary because it's light, and I'm not going to put a whole lot of color in there. But that turns orange, the canary yellow does. So, you know what? I'll use the same spoon for these. Need the pink. And I think there's enough in there that I can stick my stick blender in there. Pink, periwinkle, and white. Why do I have 4 cups out? Oh, jeez. What is wrong with me today? I just, like, dirtied a cup for no reason. Just dirtied a cup for no reason. Wow, Lynn, what is your problem? And I have an extra spatula over here, too. Alright, let me start with the blue. This is Gorgeous Blue, and I'm going to do it in the one that has less. So I'm going to do Gorgeous Blue. That's really full because I stuck my one that had not much in there. And my amethyst purple, I just want a little bit so I can try to make that periwinkle color. Hopefully Ava approves. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. I'm gonna stick blend this because it's not like totally emulsified. Alright, I'll be back when I'm done stick blending. Look at that, you guys. I think I did great with the periwinkle. Hold on and I'll show you. Maybe there should be a little bit more purple in it, but I am not gonna mess with it. It almost looks like an Easter. It's gonna look like Easter colors. I think it looks cool. I think it looks good. I think Ava's gonna like it. Now, I've never used this fragrance before, so I think I'm just gonna put it in the large batch. It smells very floral to me. Let me take these spatulas out because these will be all poured in, but we'll see how it does. Like the lilac, I'm going to do the lilac next week. And that one's obviously just a floral. Okay, here we go. Oh, well, it's not racing on the top of the soap. I seem to have a problem with that when I, you know, have TD in a soap. But this is why I love nature. Oh, it opened up. It's beautiful, you guys. It definitely smells like Endless Love. You know, I have a fragrance called Endless in Love. This is called Endlessly in Love, but I have an Endless Love from Crafter's Choice, but I'm not sure if they're the same thing. I haven't really checked it out. I guess I will now. Okay, this is thickening up on me. All right, let's move you guys down. Woo, too far. And bring you guys in just a little bit. Are you good? Okay. Okay, yellow. We're gonna do pink. Whoops, I just got that all over the side. I just need a little bit for the top. White. And the periwinkle. This is gonna look so much like her dress. She's gonna be excited. I'll have her watch me cut it. I spilled that periwinkle all the way down the mold. Oops. And I have to get it off the center of the mold so I can. Okay, so let's do the rest of the yellow. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna, oh my goodness, that thing is like almost pouring out. Well, I'm gonna have samples. Actually, I'm gonna have little things to send to Renee. Oh, I want to start with the darkest color. What is, oh my goodness, see, you guys, I haven't soaped in a while. Can you tell? I just want to do a polish on it. That's like totally coming out of there. But we're going to make a big mess. Okay. Renee's going to get some yellow endless love. Because I'm going to put this in the thing. In my little square thing. And I send all of those to Renee. So she loves it when I send her 70 pounds of soap at the same time. Right, Renee? Okay. That's good enough. Alright. Let me clean this up and I'll come back with you guys. Okay. So I am going to take... Woo! I'm going to take a skewer. This one I'm going to put back. I'm going to take a skewer and I'm just going to sort of pull it. And I am going deeper than normal. I just sort of want it to flow. Oh, it's starting to muddy up. I better stop. Okay, now Ava wanted glitter on this, but there's absolutely no way I am putting glitter on this. I think it's too pretty as it is. Okay, 18 to 24 hours, like for real, I need to cut this because I have to post this for you guys Friday, which would be today, because I post on Fridays, and this is a Wednesday, so I definitely have to cut this tomorrow. Alright, I will see you guys then. Bye-bye. Hi. We are having to do a voiceover because I completely forgot to turn the microphone on. And I do apologize for the discombobulation of the audio and the video. I'm not sure how that happened. I'm not sure if it was the way the video is converted or whatever. I'm not sure, but I apologize. So we are cutting Endless Love, and I am in love with this yellow color. I think the yellow looks beautiful. And the little wispies of that pink and periwinkle in the white. I can't wait for Ava to see it. She went to her grandma's early this week, so that's why she's not here with us. But yeah, I really like the way that it turned out. It's got sort of a, well, it's not got sort of, it's definitely got an Easter feel to it, but it's also got a soft but yet dark feel to it. That periwinkle, I really like it. It almost, in some places in the soap, it almost looks like bolts of lightning. That's kind of cool. So, yeah. That one I'm not too fond of. It just sort of looked like a big C, didn't it? I guess we'll have to see. Yeah. I'm not even sure what I was talking about, and I just cut this earlier today. Isn't that funny? I had a seizure this afternoon, so, stands to reason. I woke up with my PlayStation controller in my hand and my video game running. You gotta love it when that happens. When you were playing your game, but nothing happened. What are you doing, Harley? My kitten is trying to get my older cat, and Mr. J was not having it. I like that three, with the circle in the middle of the two bubbles. I like that. I mean, it really definitely did some interesting shapes inside there. So I was very pleased with the way that it turned out. I know I've said that like a million times, and there's three of them, which is super cool. It almost looks like modern art, that piece right there. So I was very pleased. I'm sure Ava's gonna let you know how much she liked it when she does the whip soap with me. Because she made me promise that do the whipped soap and the wax melts with her, because she hasn't made wax melts, but she loves to make whipped soap. So we'll just wait for her. And if I remember, I'll ask her what she thinks of her Endless Love soap. So, and the rest of it is just samples. So I'm going to cut those in half. And then I am going to see you guys next Friday. So thanks as always for staying with me, and I will see you then. Bye bye.